I'll show how to work with quizzes on Unschooler. First, when you create the learning plan for the course, do not hesitate to ask more quizzes if you want to get them. For instance, this course will be about design with lots of quizzes. Let's generate the course plan. Okay, I get the curriculum, and in each module I have the quiz. But let's say I want to have more. I will provide the request at least 2 in each module. I will regenerate the course and we will check how it will work. Okay, now we get the modules and lessons, and we can see the single select and multiple select quiz. If you have course and inside this course you do not have enough quizzes and you want to have more, you can go to the edit mode, and here you can add more quizzes. For instance, I will get to this lesson, and here instead of AI assignment I can generate the single select quiz. Here we go, I get the options and the question and explanation. Also, at the end of the course I can generate the test quiz. For each topic it will create at least one question. Let's try it. All questions are generated automatically. I get a quiz with different options. Here we have the incorrect answer. This is a correct. And all your students will see the progress inside this quiz.